Same old turbo, new boot, followed up with the big Honkin Air Filter. That's right, folks, the big Honkin Air Filter. I'll put the Wix filter number down in the doobly-doo, down there, wherever. If you're interested, this filter, as you can see, will clamp onto a 4-inch pipe. So it's that in there is 4-inch ID. This is what is commonly referred to as the big Honkin Air Filter. Inlet on this turbo, 4-inch. So I've got a 45 degree and then a little, I don't know, 6-inch piece of pipe there. And it fits okay. I don't like that it'll be sucking hot air through here. This is obviously gonna go somewhere else. But I don't know where else to put it. I mean, this thing needs to breathe, so I don't really have any more room. Up here I need to put the overflow, which I'm not gonna use this one. I'm gonna use, there's a couple of these universal ones mounted here and there and everywhere where it won't get smashed by the hood hinge over there. So I may end up making a flange that goes here. The other one that I need to put is going to be for the windshield squirters. So just thought I'd give a quick update. And not a lot has changed, but I do have all 6 seat belts in. Like I showed you that one already, but I also got the lap belt in for the middle, which means I could hook up the female doobly end for the shoulder belts on the back. And I am pretty close to having my gauge cluster ready to install. I think I told you that there's an issue with the tachometer that I had chosen. And I'll make a whole different video about that because other people may want to know. So, okay, first run on the new and improved Burning Dinosaur style tack. It works. It's working.
When do you think you'll ever drive this truck out, Dad?
I don't know, hopefully soon. I saw the oil pressure also slowly falling off there at the end, so that's good. So that seems to be all right as well.
Oh, wait, you're videoing. I didn't know that.
But anyways, now I don't know what's gonna be next on here. I guess I gotta collect my thoughts. But thanks for watching.